Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Priscilla's Stuff and Things. Tonight we're going to be making shepherd's pie and we are going to attempt to get the whole family in the kitchen to help make this. So thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring tonight's video. So I've actually never had shepherd's pie, so therefore I've never made it, but Asa grew up on this. So I'm excited to see if it lives up to his mom's recipe. So whatever the chef was, I hope you live up to that. But I love that it has all the ingredients right there. I can't mess it up. So first things first, we have to get our stuff out of the fridge. Can you come help me? Come on, let's get it. This way. Go ahead and get our bag right there. Yep. Put that on the counter. Go put it over there. And I will grab our meat. You ready? Bring it over here. Put it right here. Get your bag. All right. So the nice thing about HelloFresh is we had kind of a rough night last night as far as sleep goes. You know, some nights you just don't sleep well. And so this is really nice because I don't feel like cooking. I don't feel like coming up with a plan, with a menu. I don't feel like any of that. I need to go to the grocery, but I have HelloFresh, so I'm thankful for that because we still can eat a good meal and hopefully get a better night's rest tonight, don't you think? I hope. Look at all those fresh veggies, Ab. One of the things I love about HelloFresh is that they have so many different options. They have calorie counting options. They have vegetarian. They have family options, which is what we get. So we get the family of 4. And it's perfect because then we have enough for Abigail's leftovers for lunch tomorrow. So that's a really great option. And you just go right on the website and choose what kind of meals you want. And you can even mix and match. If you want to have like one night a vegetarian night, you can. Hey, Ab, you got to come pick our potatoes up off the floor. Are you recording? This is real life cooking. Don't even act like y'all are. This is real life here. Are you going to pick up those potatoes? No, you're not? Okay, I got them. Nice job. Okay, hold on. Let's leave it right there so it can drip. Okay, so look, take it and shake it. I figured why I had to peel all of these potatoes for our recipe tonight, I would talk to you guys about some of the things I love about HelloFresh. One of them is being that we've had a crazy week. It's only Tuesday. What day is it? It's Wednesday. We've had a crazy week already, and I have not made it to the grocery. I was supposed to have gone like 3 days now. Still have not made it to the grocery. I knew I had a HelloFresh meal in my fridge and that I would be able to have all the ingredients right in one bag. I need that kind of mindless meal in my life. Like, I don't know about you moms out there, but sometimes we just need like an easy button, and that's my easy button, HelloFresh. So thank you because you saved the day. I'm sure you guys are like, where'd she get those sexy glasses? They're my onion goggles. So my eyes, it doesn't matter what trick I've tried them all, guys. I've tried them all. It doesn't matter. My eyes water with onions. So these work. They work for my eyes. But I had to tell you guys, so sustainability, like that's a big thing in the world right now, which it should be. And can you even take me serious with these goggles on? My cameraman says no. But sustainability, it's a big thing, and you don't want to leave like a huge carbon footprint. With HelloFresh, the packaging, most of it is recycled material. So it's 25% less than what you would buy at the grocery store. So that's a huge deal. So to start getting your HelloFresh, you're going to use my code ScyllaStuffandThings10, which is going to give you 10 free meals across 4 boxes. That's a great option. So make sure you click on the link down in my description below. And the celery. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Put it all in the pan. Keep going. All of this. There you go. Good job. Now pull. Pull it. Pull it. Keep going. Look. Look, it's dropping it in the bowl. There you go. Look at you. Isn't that cool? Look, you got your time. You got all the time. I'll get the other one. You pour that one in the pan. Pour it in there. Good job. As I told you guys, this week's crazy. So, I have a work phone call I have to take. So, my second chef is going to take over. But that's cool because they make it so easy. I can just show you what step I'm on. And you can come right in, right? You got this?
Right.
Right?
Step 4.
Okay. So, we just put the meat in there, so you just need to, so we're on number 4.
Okay.
Okay? And then
Okay.
you'll do this. I'm going to go ahead and turn the broiler on for you.
Okay.
On high, because that's how you do it.
Okay.
This is not an oven-safe dish.
Okay.
So, you can use this one.
Okay.
Got it?
What could go wrong?
Right?
Hey, can you turn our light back on?
Okay.
I thought this was pretty cool. So, you know, Priscilla loves giving back. She loves doing fundraising type things, whatnot. HelloFresh does as well. They gave 2.5 million meals away in 2019. How awesome is that? And they're stepping up their giving back initiative in during the coronavirus. Browned and cooked through 4 to 6 minutes. Got it. I don't know if Priscilla mentioned, but the meals are really flexible. We do the 4-person meal. You can do a 2-person meal. You know, there's lots of options other than just like vegetarian, low calorie, stuff like that. But we still do the 4-person meal, and then we can send leftovers in for Abby's lunch the next day. Who doesn't love having home-cooked leftovers for lunch? Paste of the tomato. Tomatoes are gross. Everybody knows that. Flour. She didn't say anything about flour. 2 tablespoons. Is this flour? Wow, it even comes with flour? Do you want to help me? No, you're helped out. You don't want to do it anymore? You just want to eat it, huh? Same. Do you like my apron? I got it to match my shirt. Is it a good look? Shepherd's pie. Yeah, my mama, she will make a mean shepherd's pie, so we will see how HelloFresh stacks up.
I think it's one of the cool parts about HelloFresh is that you can get the whole family in the kitchen with you.
Yeah.
I don't know, it makes us like, it's that family time. Every mom wants family time, so go ahead and order HelloFresh. That way you're guaranteed to get it. If nothing else, if they're not helping in the kitchen, at least they're gonna sit down at the table and cook with or eat with you.
Order HelloFresh for family time.
That's right.
How long is it in the broiler?
About 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay, so you just want to watch it, make sure it doesn't burn?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yep, you're just getting it a little brown.
I'm really good at burning stuff in the broiler.
So all the behind the scenes chaos has been insane tonight, but we did get our meal made. We had a camera fall off of a tripod. We had microphones run out of batteries. I had a work phone call in between. But the thing that matters is that 3 of us can now sit at our table and enjoy a nice meal together. So thanks again to HelloFresh for making this night a little bit easier. We appreciate you. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. I mean, I don't have anything to compare it to, but it tastes good to me.
Sorry, Mom.
I say she likes it too. It's really good.